be another fun tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this half up, half down hairstyle with some pop-up color. Please continue watching, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm going to be starting off with my Better Length textured 3C48 clip-ins. And I'm going to be sectioning out pieces of my hair to avoid anything being seen as far as my tracks. Also, a tip that I should add when it comes to doing your hairstyle such as the one I'm doing now, try to avoid leaving out so much for your leave out. You don't want it to look so obvious, so just leave a small amount out. So I'm going to take my Me Chic Beauty leave-in conditioner before I braid my hair down, and I'm just going to show you how simple the braiding pattern should be. It should not be complicated. So I have a few braids in the back, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to pin it up using a few bobby pins. So I'm taking about 4 to 5 bobby pins, I believe. Take as many as you need if you feel like you need more than that. And I'm crisscrossing both ends and then pinning the bobby pin on like the ends closest to my ear. And then I'll probably end up putting 2 right at the nape just for extra security. So I'm going to turn around and show you what the back look like so you can have a visual idea. So it looks pretty simple. It's pretty much it. My hair is pretty thick. You may have to try a different pattern if your hair is thicker or longer. Now on to the texture clip-ins. So I definitely co-wash these just to add a little bit more bounce to it because I didn't want the pattern to be super like defined. And I believe I added 6 pieces in the back. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that I do have some other creative styles that I did play with using these clip-ins, which I will link in my description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Next, I'm going to be taking some of that hair paint wax, and I'm just going to apply that to the back of my hair and start off with that just to get a feel of the color and make sure, you know, it's definitely something I'm not going to regret later, because listen, I didn't have time, and I was hoping that I did not have to wash it out, and I didn't. I loved it. But I'm going to continue to let you guys watch the video. Right now, I'm styling my leave-in, and I usually style my leave-in the way I would just my wash and go, my mousse, my gel, and that's it. So after I finish applying the rest of the color to the back of my hair to make sure everything is evened out, I'm now going to play with the front. So I definitely had to re-wet my hair because it was getting a little dry. And I'm just sectioning my hair off like this and being slightly lazy. Like, I'm really being lazy right now. And I'm just adding like just a good amount of leave-in conditioner to the front just so that my hair is not super dry, because like I said, I'm being very lazy right now. This is like a lazy girl hairstyle. So now I just finished applying gel to my hair, the front, and I'm just brushing it just to get it nice and smooth and sleek. And then I'm going to apply some of that hair paint wax to the front of my hair. Make sure you distribute the product a good amount in your hair, and if your hair is darker, like, it's not gonna show up super red. It's definitely gonna show up as a burgundy, which is like bomb.com because I love burgundy. Yeah, and just make sure you also apply it to the ends of your hair. I can fly. I can fly. I can fly. So now I'm taking a wefted clip in, which I believe this piece had 3 to 4 clips on it, and I'm just wrapping it as close as I can to my hair bun. And I'm just going to wrap that hair around my hair bun with another scrunchie. So just take your time. I'm also going to be taking my edge control from Idolux, and I'm just going to finish this style up by just playing with my baby hairs and making sure it looks correct. As a tip, once your hair does dry, I would highly suggest that you may want to fluff out the hair. Now, this style, for some reason, this, I don't know, maybe it's because of the style or whatever, but I did experience a lot of like transfer every single time I played with my hair on a daily basis. So you will probably experience some transfer of the hair paint on your hand. Not a big deal, but yeah, you're going to experience some transfer. Anyways, I just suggest that you fluff it out and make sure you sleep with your satin scarf to keep this style preserved and lasting. And that is all, folks. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave your girl a big thumbs up. Leave your comments and love in the comment box below. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Those are the only social media accounts I pretty much have. And I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.